Now this is the video of making a strawberry cheesecake. Bye. Need some white sugar, cinnamon powder, cracker crumbs, and a spring farm pan. A cheesecake has a soft layer on the top, a hard layer bottom, so we can flip it over. That's why we use a spring farm pan, because look, we can do that and we can take it off. Everybody, now we have all the ingredients for the base. 1/4 cracker crumbs, 1/4 white sugar, and 1/3 cup butter, and 2 teaspoons of brown cinnamon powder. Now we're going to put all of the ingredients inside. Everybody, now we mixed all the ingredients together. Now we're going to put it in the spring farm pan, and then we're going to start pressing it. I am pressing for the crust. Everybody, now the crust is ready. We're going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the cake. You need 3 eggs, some cream cheese, condensed milk, cornstarch, and some brown vanilla, and frozen sliced strawberries and sugar, and a lime. Everybody, my mom put in 20 ounces of frozen strawberries and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and blended it. Now we're going to boil this for 2 minutes. Everybody, now we open the cream cheese and brown vanilla, 3 eggs, and the condensed milk and lime juice. Now we're going to put the cream cheese in and mix it with the electric mixer. I hope you're ready. Everybody, now we got the pan out of the fridge. Now we're going to pour half of the batter. Then we're going to put some strawberry sauce in it. And then we're going to put the remaining batter. Here we go. Starting to cover. see so many cards.
Ready!
We decorated the cake.
Ready!
Now we're going to set the oven for 300 Fahrenheit and we're going to put it in for 45 minutes. Everybody, we got the cake. Now we're going to take the outside part and then put it in the fridge. Everybody, we got the outer part off. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Everybody, now we got the cheesecake out of the fridge and we're going to taste it now. I hope you're so excited. Now we're going to pour the sauce on the cake and then eat it. Everybody, I hope you liked the video. See you soon on the next Wikitan videos. I hope you're so excited for the next one. Bye.